I love my little mischief monsters. They are fascinated by the snow all over my boots. When I was going out to get the chickens taken care of today, the path that I was pushing through the snow reached all the way up to my thighs. Granted, I'm not tall, a little less than 5'2", but still. And Scraps has joined the girls in the snow boot fun. Suchan, you don't need to get inside my boots. You don't either, Kage. Scraps, you don't need to go outside. It's cold out there. And I never let you out. And there's Widget. I can hear Widget. Where is Widget? There's Widget. Widget's down by my slippers. Widget will be 20 years old in May.